In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Tools. By the end, you'll know how to connect your trading account, visualize performance, track news that moves the markets, explore return projections, and share insights with the community, all in a clear and practical way. We'll start by connecting your trading account so Myfxbook can pull your trade and price data automatically. This read-only connection is what powers all the analytics you're about to see. Follow the on-screen prompts inside Myfxbook to link your account through your broker or platform, and make sure you grant view-only permissions. Once linked, give it a moment to sync. You'll see trades, history, and key stats flow into your dashboard. If the numbers look off at first, let the initial update complete before judging your performance. Larger histories can take a bit longer to process. Next, open charts to view your performance graphs. This is where you can visualize equity curves, balance over time, drawdowns, and growth. Use the time frame controls to zoom in on a trading week or zoom out to see long-term trends. Pay attention to the relationship between growth and drawdown. Consistent growth with controlled drawdowns usually signals a healthier strategy. If you trade multiple symbols, filter by pair or instrument to see which markets are driving results. Consider annotating key dates so you can connect strategy changes to performance shifts. Now head to the economic calendar to track news events. This calendar highlights upcoming releases like interest rate decisions, employment data, and inflation prints that can add volatility. Filter by currency, impact level, and date range, and align it with your trading sessions. Before entering positions, check what's on the calendar so you're not blindsided by high-impact news. After events, compare the actual results to the forecast to understand why markets moved the way they did. With performance and news in view, enable Portfolio Forecast to project potential future returns. This tool uses your historical data to model possible outcomes over a selected horizon. Adjust the period and confidence settings to see best case, average, and conservative projections. Treat this as a planning aid rather than a promise. Forecasts are only as reliable as the stability of your past performance and risk management. Finally, use account discussion to comment and share results. Post concise summaries of what worked and what didn't, invite feedback, and learn from others' perspectives. Keep your conversations constructive, reference your charts for clarity, and protect your privacy by sharing only what's necessary. That's it. Connect, chart, track the calendar, forecast thoughtfully, and engage with the community to refine your edge.